Okay, so we're looking at budgeting. So George receives £25 a week allowance and £10 a week pay for his job as a vermin control agent. He wishes to pay for a new bed with heated pad and matching food bowl. The bed costs £13, the food bowl costs £8 and the heated pad costs £13.50. Draw up a budget for George and decide whether he can afford all these things. So when you're drawing up a budget, you want to look at what money he's got coming in, his income, and you want to look at what he's going to spend, his expenditure. So expenditure is just a longer word for spending. So his income, first of all. So he's got his allowance, and we're putting this in an income and expenditure table. So here's his allowance, and that's for 1 week he gets £25, and he's also got his pay, which is £10. And then at the bottom of that, you want total. So he's only got 2 bits of income, but if you add them together, that tells you what his total income is. It's £35. Fair enough. Now his expenditure. These are the things he wants to buy in this case. So there's a bed, which costs £13. There's a bowl, which costs £8. And there's the heated pad, which costs £13.50. And then you need to know what the total for that is as well. So if we add that together, £34.50, I think. So now we've got it all laid out in a budgeting table, we can work out if his total income is £35 and his total expenditure is £34.50, can he afford it? Well, yes he can, because he's got more money coming in than he wants to spend. So George can afford these things. So we might want to do a little sum. So £35 minus £34.50 equals £0.50, which you know is the same as 50 pence, with 50p to spare. And there are other words you can use for that. You can say that he has a 50 pence surplus. Would be another word that was used for that. So George can very happily curl up in his nice new cat bed when he's not involved in his vermin control business. And his matching food bowl. The amount of cat food.